Hello and welcome to day 15. Today is going to be a side plank. We will add a little bit of movement in there as well with it. But if you don't want to do this movement, you can just hang it in the side plank. So we'll come to the top, hands at heart center. On an inhale, sweeping those hands all the way up overhead. Exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling to your halfway lift. Exhaling to fold forward. Then to slowly step back with both feet as you come back in towards your downward dog. We'll take one quick round of vinyasa, so slowly pushing forward to high plank, exhaling to lower down towards your chaturanga, inhaling to lift up towards your upward facing dog. Then when you're ready, curling those toes under and slowly lifting back up towards your downward dog. Just taking 2 breaths here. And then in your next inhale, slowly pushing forward, coming towards your high plank. Then placing that left hand towards the center, we'll slowly sweep that right hand all the way up overhead, coming towards that side plank. Then slowly adding that movement, drawing that right hand underneath that left side body, inhaling to lift. Exhaling to sweep under, inhaling to extend, and then one more time, exhaling to sweep under and inhaling to lift. Reaching out here, then slowly rotating back over towards your high plank, then pushing those hips back towards your downward dog. On exhale, we'll slowly start to lower those knees down towards the ground, uncurling those toes and sinking down towards your child's pose. Taking a couple breaths here. Then we're going to lift up onto those fingertips, just stretch out through the spine. Then slowly walking those hands over towards the right side to feel a stretch in towards the left side of the body. Then slowly making your way back over towards center. And then when you're ready, we will slowly walk those hands over towards the left side. Just enough to feel a stretch in towards the right side of your body. And then slowly making your way back over towards center. Drawing those hands back flat down on the ground. Then grounding into those hands will slowly start to lift, curling those toes under, lifting back up towards your downward dog. And take another vinyasa flow, moving forward, high plank, and then again modifying your chaturanga if needed. Inhaling to slowly lift up towards your upward facing dog. Then curling those toes under, lift up towards your downward dog. Then slowly pushing forward to your high plank, and then placing that right hand in towards the center, slowly rolling out to the outsides of those feet, extending that left hand all the way up overhead. Then on exhale, sweeping the left hand underneath that right side body, inhaling to lift, exhaling to swoop under, inhaling to lift, and one more time, exhaling to swoop under the right side, inhaling to extend. Then slowly rotating that left hand back down, uncurling those toes back under, and lifting up towards your downward dog. Holding here for 2 more breaths. Then on inhale, slowly walking those feet towards the top of your mat, coming towards your forward folds, bending at the knees if needed to keep a connection between the belly and thighs. Then on an inhale, we'll slowly lift halfway up with a flat back. Exhaling to slowly fold forward. And on an inhale, slowly sweep those hands all the way up overhead, coming all the way to standing. And exhale those hands down to heart center. I hope you had fun, and we will see you tomorrow for day 16.